Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So here are some updates of GATE 2022. So after the meeting of this NCB GATE, that is National Coordination Board of GATE, where all the IITs, so there is a group in the college, so they do the meeting, and this meeting was held on 23rd May. So some decisions were taken that two more subjects will be added this time in GATE 2022. Okay, so the subjects are architecture and marine engineering. Then next is geomatics engineering. Okay, so architecture and marine engineering related to this marine science. Then geomatics engineering, that is involved with the data collection in the space. Okay, next, so the total number of subjects this time it will be 29. Earlier it was 27 in 2021. So you know that in 2021 also two subjects were added. So that allowed some arts and commerce students also to write this GATE. Okay, so this will again continue. Then more centers will be added this time, and this time more centers will be from the remote location because this is the time of pandemic also, so they want to keep the centers to the nearby students. Okay, then this time also students can opt for two subjects, and third year students will be eligible to write this examination as decided in GATE 2021. Okay, so this is the normal update which I got. Now for future updates, please be connected with our channel. Okay, and they have not talked about the syllabus, so I think the syllabus will be same and the pattern will be also same. So later on this will be updated, so stay tuned. So thank you all.